Yes, guys. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadhava classes. We are going to take your next lesson, and the name of the lesson is the souvenir. So, what do you mean by souvenir? It is a something that is kept up as a remembrance. म्हणतात ना, अशी एखादी गोष्ट आपण आठवणी ठेवली असतो बघा. सॉव्हनिरचा अर्थ होतो दॅट स्मरणिका किंवा स्मरणार्थ जतन ठेवलेली वस्तू. A thing that is kept as a reminder of a person, place, or event. Getting, guys? So let's see what is given. काय दिलं तुम्हाला बघा. With the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle, Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long. Still, she didn't seem to be contented. She had read the description of this view several times before and had seen this scene on the video too. But what happened? Say, but sorry, huh? But this was different. Reading the description was one thing. Watching the picture and video captured by camera was another thing. Another, but getting an opportunity to view that amazing panorama with your own eyes being present physically right in the midst of it was indeed an out of the world experience. No matter how long she sat gazing, her own eye and wonder did not seem to abate. So Earth gradually appeared to get smaller and smaller. Shh. And what happened? Let's see, guys. पुढे काय झालं बघा. I'll tell you. Don't worry about that. Yes. And in the sky, and the azure blue sky was known. Looking at the jug, the cloud disappeared. The stars were shining bright. Stars were shining bright. I'll explain you guys. So, what happened? Like, see, this trip to moon was exorbitantly expensive, but still Sali's mother had sent her on the trip. तर बघा त्यांची ट्रिप गेली होती चंद्रावर. आपली ट्रिप जवळपास जाते, तिची ट्रिप चंद्रावर गेली होती. In our childhood, we could not even think of such long distance trips. The longest trip means going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said मम्मी. मम्मी म्हणाली, आमच्या लहानपणी आम्हाला जाता येत नव्हतं कुठे. आम्ही जास्त जास्त युरोपमध्ये जायचो. ओके. पण तुला हे ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मिळते, you should go there. Oh, mummy, Neha's grandmother was saying that in her childhood, the longest trip for school children used to be only Delhi or Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Siley light, laughing. Remembering the incidents made her laugh even now. ती म्हणते अगं आई, आजी नेहाची आजी सांगत होती की त्यांची ट्रिप तर जवळच जायची कुठेतरी जसं दिल्ली, कोलकाता. मम्मीची ट्रिप तरी युरोप खंडात जायची. आता हिची ट्रिप तर डायरेक्ट चंद्रावर गेलेली आहे. ओके. Now, the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting the moon. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. Okay, what completed one revolution around the moon. So moon वर त्यांची उतरायची तयारी आता चाललेली होती. Now, light and darkness followed each other in quick succession. The dome-shaped settlement on the moon, which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. After some time, Siley's shuttle made a slow measure and safe landing on the moon. The door of the shuttle was opened, and children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. Neil Armstrong कौन है? He was the first person to step on the moon. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instructions to the at very out outset. प्रत्येकाला त्या instruction त्यांनी दिली. Let's see, guys. So, what were the instructions? काय बघा. See. So, what did she say? I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base to make your stay at on the moon pleasant and comfortable. I would like to you to take certain precautions. काय काळजी घ्यायची बघा तुम्हाला. Listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is one-sixth of that of the Earth. In the human settlement on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the Earth has been artificially maintained, but outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. You will have to be extremely careful when you roam around there. Sorry. The second point to remember is relating to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shops which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. Getting guys? They there you will be assured of genuine articles. You do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a very sorry. Yes, I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. Getting guys? Let me explain you. Okay guys, let's go ahead. थोड़ा network problem आहे काही मुलांचे. So a jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. 3 दिवस त्या ठिकाणी ते राहणार होते. ते 3 दिवस त्या ठिकाणी राहणार होते आणि त्यांचा प्रोग्राम पूर्ण पॅक होता. म्हणजे खूप शेड्यूल त्यांचा बिझी होता. According to the Earth's calculation, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. तर तिकडे चंद्रावर काय होतं? चंद्रावर काय होतं बघा? 15 दिवस दिवस, 15 दिवस रात्र होती. The 3 days, please mute your sound. 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day. काय होता फर्स्ट डेचा प्रोग्राम? Let's see guys. स्काय वॉच काय प्रोग्राम होता त्यांचा सगळ्यात पहिला प्रोग्राम त्यांचा स्काय वॉच on the earth it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon the sky the stars shone dazzling bright. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. In the moon sky the sorry in the moon sky the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. It was also 70 times brighter. The Earth's light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Siley and her friends ecstatic. They fell asleep during feeling happy, excited, and comfortable at the same time. Getting guys? Chalo, let's go ahead. Now, the second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. Moonवर पर circus होती बघा. One unique feature of the circus was the sitting arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on the outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. On both the days, beside the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study also. The teacher has assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed, etc. Sally and her friends had traveled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. On the third day, what happened? The teacher took them to a place of historical importance. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to visit this historical monument. It was the oldest place in the history of the man on the moon. The first footprint of the Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by humans on the moon. One small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Getting guys? I'll explain you. Don't worry. Let's see ahead. Yeah. So the next attraction for children was that they were going to wear the spacesuits for the first time when they were going to roam outside experiencing the gravitational force of the moon. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run or sprint, you will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly, but who was in the mood to listen? They hopped, jumped, and ran around by ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon. Very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops or in the settlements. Cheaper and better, at least have a look. The roadside shopkeeper screamed at the top of their voice, "Buy, sister, buy! I'm selling these earrings really cheap." Saying this, he approached Siley and displayed the sets of shining stone earrings. Siley suddenly remembered her mother. Tomorrow they were to start to their return journey. On the return journey, so she had completely forgotten her mother in the last 3 days, so she felt terribly guilty. Buy this, sister, don't think much, cheaper and better, take it. Sally looked around. The other children had proceeded ahead. Come on, give me those red earrings quick. Sally pointed at them and asked, what is the price? Only 1000 rupees, replied the salesman. Sally immediately paid the amount, took the earrings and ran to catch up with her friends. On returning home, काय झालं बघा, I'll tell you guys. Sorry, chalo. On returning home, Sally told her mother very enthusiastically, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. Her mother picked up her earring. She exclaimed, Hello, dear. How am I going to wear such a heavy earring? Sally immediately realized her mistake. Sally had purchased the earring in the field of moon's gravity, right? So it was translated from the story Bhet by Lakshman Londhe. Lakshman Londhe, right?